Welcome back. No matter your needs, if you're looking for milling, look no further than Mazak. I'm here with Greg, and Greg, you do that and so much more. A company that's really steeped in history. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, talk about history. We're celebrating our 100th anniversary this year, going back to Japan 100 years ago. We've been in Florence, Kentucky since the 70s, manufacturing here in the good old USA. And we're showcasing here from our entry-level machine, small turning center, 6-inch chuck turning center, to our more sophisticated 5-axis and our new smooth technology, which is our latest control.
So really you're going to be able to meet the needs, whatever race team comes up out there with. You've got different machines to meet all of those.
As you walk around this show, many of the exhibitors are our customers for their manufacturing needs. Penske, who just won the NASCAR championship, their shop is full of Mazaks. We have a 25-year relationship with Penske Racing. And right down to suspension components with those guys. And prior, when they did their own engines, they actually had our machines in their engine shop also.
So a company that is really steeped in history, around over a century, and really leading the way with innovation as well. An example of that is this machine right back here.
This is our Integrex. This is our smallest Integrex, the 100 series. 5-axis machine. Full 5-axis with a tool changer. And we are the guys who really invented the Integrex style machine. We call all the others Pretendigrexes.
Well, you know, there are a lot of wannabes out there, but
yes, there is.
you know, with what the experience and the line of that you're bringing to the industry, really you are leading the way. And you know, the nice thing I like about this is really ergonomic as well.
Absolutely.
In addition to, you mentioned tool changes, those are ease of operation as well.
Ease of operation, the tool change is located right in the front of our Integrex series. Prior it was in the rear, so you had to walk around the back. We've moved it to the front now. Everything is accessible right up here.
So from entry level to a 5-axis, and then you have over here to our right a vertical machine as well.
Vertical 3-axis milling machine, again an entry level vertical 3-axis. And what we're trying to accomplish here is to showcase our technology to prospective new customers, but also show the small shop owner that he can get into a Mazak and grow from there. We have many success stories. A fellow will buy our smallest machine, and next thing you know, he's got an Integrex. And those success stories are some of the exhibitors here, too.
And they're really a revenue generator. I mean, you can't make that revenue you need without one of these machines. And you have a solution for everybody from the entry level on up.
That's correct. That's correct. And we pride ourselves in that. We've always had that 2-axis entry level going up to the most sophisticated. We build a lot of gantry machines, gantry milling machines, which are very large. If you came to the factory in Florence, Kentucky, we manufacture Mazaks on Mazaks. You could see a bed casting being machined on a large Mazak gantry. So that's the thing. I learned early on in this industry, back in high school, that a lathe is the only machine that could make itself. Well, Mazak makes all machines on Mazaks.
That is just cool. And we'll get down to Florence and come through your factory at some time. Now, in addition to servicing the racing industry, there's a whole covey of other industries that you support, anybody who works with metal, etc. And these are just 3 small samples of the many machines that you make.
Very true, very true. Aerospace is a large part of our industry. The aerospace, the defense industry, we're big players, and in transportation.
Now, Greg, in addition to the many machines that you manufacture, you also offer automation, is that correct?
Yes, we do. We have an automation division back in Florence, Kentucky at our factory that will take a customer's component, look at it, and come up with a solution on loading and unloading that component, from our smallest machines to our largest machines.
Well, Greg, we have a company that is steeped in history, a century in business, building solutions for any budget out there, a machine that will grow with you as well. Greg, thanks so much for being on.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.